In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to BlaBlaCar step by step so you can use the app connection quickly and start working with it inside ChatGPT. This is a super simple process, but I'll walk you through every click so you don't miss anything. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Once you're on the main page, make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This part matters because the app connection will be saved to the account you're using right now. After that, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon, then open Settings. Inside Settings, find the Apps section. This is where ChatGPT keeps all the available app connections and integrations. Click on Apps and then on the next page, choose Add More. This will open the app directory where you can search for the specific service you want to connect. Now use the search bar and type in the application name. In this case, type BlaBlaCar. As soon as the results appear, click on BlaBlaCar from the list. Make sure you're selecting the correct app so you don't connect the wrong service by mistake. On the BlaBlaCar app page, you'll see a connect button. Click connect to begin the linking process. ChatGPT may ask you to confirm the connection one more time, so if you see a second connect button, click that as well. This is a normal part of authorizing the app and allowing ChatGPT to work with BlaBlaCar. Once the connection is approved, go back to ChatGPT and start a new chat. This is where the integration becomes active and ready to use. If needed, click the plus icon and then click More to access additional app options and tools inside the chat window. From there, select BlaBlaCar again, and that's it. Your ChatGPT account is now connected to BlaBlaCar and you're ready to use it in your workflow. You can now continue chatting with ChatGPT while having the app available when you need it. So that's the full process for connecting ChatGPT to BlaBlaCar in just a few quick steps. If this guide helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.